The notification is issued under this.
अरे भाई साहब, आप तो ताजमहल भी ले लो यार, लाल किला भी ले लो, कौन मना कर रहा है?
नहीं, वो मैं
या प्यार से क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आते आप
नहीं,
लोगों को?
सिर्फ ऑनरेबल कोर्ट
अरे ऑनरेबल कोर्ट को छोड़ो, किसी की भी प्रॉपर्टी को आप वक्फ प्रॉपर्टी डिक्लेयर कर सकते हो। टेल मी, सेक्शन 5 में नोटिफिकेशन होगा, फलाना होगा, पूरे भारत को वक्फ प्रॉपर्टी डिक्लेयर कर दो, देन तो क्या नोटिफिकेशन क्या आपके वैलिड हो जाएगा? मन आया बोले इसको वक्फ प्रॉपर्टी डिक्लेयर कर दो, हाउ दैट इज पॉसिबल?
The central government is likely to table a bill in parliament to amend the Waqf Act 1995. This act was introduced in 1954 under the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. This can limit the power of Waqf boards in India. A Waqf is a charitable property in Islamic law which involves the donation of property and assets for religious and charitable purposes. These properties donated cannot be sold or inherited. In 2009, the Waqf board had around 4 lakh acres of land, and by 2023, this has grown to about 8.65 lakh acres. This increase made the Waqf board as the third largest landowner in India after the armed forces and the railways. Article 26 of the Indian Constitution allows religious denominations to manage institutions for religious and charitable purposes. And Article 29 and 30 of the Constitution protect the rights of minorities to preserve their distinct language, script or culture and administer educational institutions which Waqf properties often support. But in 1995 and 2013, significant amendments were made to this act that expanded board powers and complicated the judicial processes. Critics argue that the special treatment for Waqf properties contradicts the principles of equality and secularism given under Article 14 and 15. The tribunal's ability to make decisions without a straightforward appellate process to the Supreme Court limits the rights of individuals seeking justice against claims made by Waqf boards. The new bill is likely to introduce representation for women in Waqf boards as well. Now, this is an evolving issue and we will get to know more about it. For updates on the issue, stay tuned with Level Up IAS. Thank you.